Here I have an image file and I want to copy text from this image. In this video, I will show you a few different ways to do this. First, we are going to use Google Drive together with Google Docs. And with this technique, you don't have to install any software, although you will need a Google account or a Gmail account. I'm at Google Drive right now and I'm just going to drag and drop my image over, and that will be uploaded to the Google Drive. Once it's there, I could just right click on it and open with Google Docs. Once I do that, a Google Doc will be created for me. It will put the image in, plus it will extract all the text down at the bottom, and I could just select everything and copy it. A second easier way to extract text from images is to just go to the website image to text and just drag and drop your image and then hit submit. Once the image is uploaded, it will be converted to text and you could just select everything and copy it, or you could just download a text file to your computer. And those are the two easiest way to extract text from images. If you enjoyed watching, please consider subscribing and I will see you on the next video. Thank you.